Nothing but a good Saturday, just relax. Well, what do you want to do on this Saturday? Nothing! I just want to relax, okay? Mario, where did you went for the past 2 days? Oh yeah, where did you went? Cubby was missing too. God, don't worry about it. Brother! God damn it, Mario, what do you want? We all want to watch the Lego movie. Ew! Everyone watched the Lego movie. It's super duper cool. No, it's not. It's stupid. I mean, it's kind of good. What are you high? The Lego movie, the second movie, it's trash. No one liked that crap. Instead of little 6-year-olds. It was kind of good. What's that noise? It's probably those stupid birds outside. Let's go check on them. No, I don't want to get rabies. How do you get rabies? We're toys, you know. Fine, let's go. So we can get the stuff over with. Okay. Okay, I'm not admit that you're more bigger than me, but I'm more bigger than you. Chip. God damn it, what's going on out here? You guys are making too much noise. That's right, I figure out who's that biggest bird. What? Biggest bird? We're trying to figure out who's the biggest bird here. Well, it's obviously Chuck. He's been eating chips like 5,000 years. No, I'm the biggest bird. Okay, watch. Ugh, I'm the biggest bird. Oh my God! What the hell? It's a big bird. Kirby, where you come from? I don't know. You know, I don't care. Well, it's obvious that he's the biggest bird. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. No, I'm the biggest bird, Chip. We're gonna solve this. You have that biggest bird challenge. What challenge? Whoever wins these challenges is that biggest bird. That's kind of a good idea. Let's do it. Okay, so the first one is, why don't you guys like to climb that tree up there? Oh no. Here, I can go back to my normal form. You can switch back to bubbles. What? God damn it, I can't. No, you can't. I'll try my best. Okay, so all you have to do is just climb that tree up there. And just climb. And whoever falls, and whoever keeps climbing is the winner, okay? So, oh no, I don't think I can do this. Okay, I'll try. Okay, go! I'm so tired. What? You're fat ass just start climbing. How are you that tired? How's that fairy? He's floating up in the air, Chip. I mean, he's the only one that's going down. So, floating up, so, I'm not biggest bird. You're not gonna beat Crack, Dad. Dad? What do you mean? That's your son, Chuck? Me and Stella had him. Who's Stella? Oh, she was a member of our group. She eventually moved out somewhere. I don't know where she went. Well, I guess Bella's the winner is. Well, I guess Bella's the winner. In your face, Dad! Shut up, Chip. Oh, I'm still the biggest bird than you. Yeah. Let's do the next round. Oh yeah, I can roll too. Chip. Oh God, I'm so tired. Okay, for the next round, you two are gonna weigh some weights, okay? So, you're gonna weigh a 35-pound weight over there. So, Let's go first. I think I want to go so I can prove to you that I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Whose dog is it over there? Hey, get over there, Chuck. Okay, I'm ready, Chip. You had to get the weight, Chuck. Here. I'm too tired. How fat are you? I'm too tired, Chuck. Just pick up the weight. It's simple. Okay. I give up, Chip. Oh my God, you're such a Oh, what is it? That's so heavy. Oh my God. You know what? Chuck wins this round, okay? Since he barely moved it and you couldn't even move it, so Chuck wins. I'm the biggest bird, Chip. That doesn't mean anything. I'm so the biggest bird than you. Oh yeah? Yeah! Alright, for the third challenge, you guys are gonna roll to Bomb and Luigi over there. It's Luigi, not Luigi. I said Luigi. So whoever rolled the farthest, or just cross both of them, is the winner of this round. Okay? Okay, come on, let's go. You're not gonna beat me, Chip. Oh yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, Mark, get set, go.
Well, he passed us. You start there, Bubbles. It's your turn, Chuck.
All right, here I come, Chip. Chip power. Oh God, I'm so tired. What? Are you kidding me? What kind of competition is this crap? You're not even close to him.
It's obviously that he's the biggest bird.
Wait, who, Balls?
Yeah.
Well, you could be the biggest bird if you can't. Oh, never mind. I forget.
Oh, but Bubbles is the winner. Yeah.
I'm still the biggest bird than you, Dad. You can't deny that. Oh yeah? I made you, kid. So I'm obviously the biggest bird. Oh yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, stop fighting. We have one more challenge. We did it. Oh, you can think of Luigi. What do you think we should do now? We can go to the track and make them race each other. Oh yeah, that's kind of a good idea. What's a track? This is a track. Yeah, the track, Dad. Are you scared? No. What are you talking about? I went to track when I was a kid. Yeah. He's good enough. He's not fast enough like he used to. That's not true, Trip. It's not true. Okay, then let's go to the track and race each other. Fine. I challenge you to a race, Chip. Okay, I'm just gonna make this quick and simple, okay? You two, this. All you're gonna do is just gonna run around a lap and just race, okay? That's all it is, okay? Just run around a lap and just hope it, just keep going, okay? I'm just gonna leave, okay? I don't care. I just wanna go home and relax, okay? This is a Saturday. Just race around. Got it, idiots? Thank you, bye. Where's my f***ing time? I never read that guy. And anyways, he do go on a track. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm tired. Try to catch me now. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God, I'm winning. Yes. I'm the biggest bird. I need to sit here and just wait for him. You know what? I'm gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna relax right here and do nothing.
1 week later.
I need chips. Oh, about time you came here. No matter what, I don't care what you say, but I'm that biggest bird. Yeah, right. You can't even catch me. You can't even race me. You're not even that fast enough. What does speed have to do with any of this? I wish we ate chips. That kind of would be a fair finish, but oh well, I'm that biggest bird. Ooh, big brain. Hey, Junior. My name is Bubbles. You don't Bubbles. Yeah, Bubbles. Listen, I heard there was like a candy store way over there. Where somewhere not near the house is at. Yeah, I'm not stupid, Dad. No, there's no candy store. Wait, but no, I'm not lying. This is 100% real. No fake clip. No clickbait. Yeah, they have almost every candy that was made in history of candies and you know. Really? Yeah. I'm not lying. They definitely have it. You got to go way all the way over there, where Florida's at. Yeah, it's way over there to Florida, and man, it's so good. I think I went there before. It was just so good. That sounds good, but we don't live in Florida. We live in California. I know, but with your amazing speed, you can get there. Wait, you guys think I can get there? Yeah. Just don't come over here and never again. If you're my dad, so everything that you say is true. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to Florida. Candy store, here I come! I'm the biggest chip. But I don't know how I'm gonna get all the way over there. What a I gotta hurry up and get over there before it's too late. But first, I need to take a break. Hello. But Nario, hi Nario. What you doing and stuff? What's that? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's a calculator. Yeah, it tells math and stuff. You math suck, but. Yeah, math suck, but yeah, me go poo on my pencil. How about you go leave and go? Oh God damn it! What are you doing back here? Wait, how? Ruby, what are you guys doing here? Us, we're definitely not making something that can to save one of our friends. Yeah. I mean, did nothing. You guys are terrible liars. What is this?